This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the password requirement when you're trying to use the Nintendo eShop on your Nintendo Switch. So this gets a really annoying real quick if we want to go do this. So let's go to the Nintendo eShop right here. Select this and then select your user and then type in your password if you have it, but it's going to load the Nintendo eShop right now. So once this loads, go all the way over to the right to your icon in the upper right side of the screen. Select it, mine's Donkey Kong. Then I'll be under my account information page. Go to the right and scroll on down. And we want to go to where it says password entry and go to change. Then on the top, we want to go to skip password for starting a Nintendo eShop. Then you won't have to type it in anymore. Then we have other information like using saved credit card info. We can go to skip password for that if we don't want that on, or using your linked PayPal account. So decide what you want, then go to save. Then you won't have to type in your password anymore when you load up the Nintendo eShop. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.